Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake in a microwave. First, you'll need to gather your basic ingredients: flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Make sure you have a microwave-safe mug or ramekin ready. It's crucial to combine all your dry ingredients thoroughly in the mug before introducing any liquids. This ensures an even mix and a delicious cake. Now that your dry ingredients are in the mug, it's time to add the wet components. Pour in your milk, a small amount of oil, and a dash of vanilla extract for flavor. Gently mix everything together until it's just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a tough cake. A few lumps are perfectly fine for a tender, moist result. With your batter ready, place the mug in the microwave. Cook on high power for about 60 to 90 seconds. Cooking times can vary, so start with 60 seconds and add more time in 10-second increments if needed. The cake is done when it looks set and is firm to the touch. Be mindful of your microwave's wattage. Higher wattage might require less time. Once your microwave cake is cooked, carefully remove it from the microwave and let it cool for a few minutes. This allows it to set properly and makes it easier to handle. Now comes the fun part: decorating. Add your favorite frosting, a dollop of whipped cream, or some colorful sprinkles to make it extra special. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your quick and delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.